This is next level genius, because you've probably never seen a tree cut like this before. First, he carves a deep V-shaped notch exactly where the tree is meant to fall. Every angle deliberate, every cut controlled. Then he refines the edges, cleaning them up to lock in perfect direction. But here's where it gets different. He slices two precise, parallel lines deep into the trunk. At the base, he removes a small square section between them, creating a hidden, controlled hinge inside the tree. Now comes the moment of truth. He shifts to the opposite side and begins the final cut. The saw pushes deeper. Tension builds until it meets that hinge. And then, everything moves. The trunk slowly gives way, smooth and controlled, and the tree drops exactly where he planned.